Good morning, children. It's a pleasure to come your way again. In our mathematics class for today, we shall be considering the topic volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder. What are the objectives of this class? By the end of this class, you should be able to define cylinder. You should be able to find the volume of a cylinder. Come with me. All right, what is a cylinder? A cylinder is a solid object with two identical flat ends that are circular or elliptical and one curved side. It has the same cross section from one end to another. For example, this shape right here is a cylinder. Yes, this is a cylinder. All right, let's move on. Now, what is cross-section of a cylinder? A cross-section is the shape we get when cutting straight through an object. So when you cut through a cylinder, what you get is a circle. So the cross-section of a cylinder is a circle. So do not forget that the cross-section of a cylinder is a circle. All right, let's move on. Now, to calculate the volume of a cylinder, you will use the formula area of the cross-section multiplied by height. Area of the cross-section multiplied by height. Do not forget I said that the cross-section of a cylinder is a circle. So that means we are calculating the area of a circle multiplied by height. And how do we calculate the area of a circle? We use the formula pi r squared. We use the formula pi r squared. So now to calculate the volume of a cylinder, we use the formula pi r squared h. Pi r squared h. Or we could say pi multiplied by the radius squared times height. Pi multiplied by the square of the radius multiplied by the height, where r is our radius and h is our height.
Go.
All right. Now let's look at this example now. Let's look at this example. So this is a cylinder. This is a cylinder. Now we can see the height. The height is 21 centimeter. So the height is 21 centimeter and the radius is 9 centimeter. So to calculate the volume of a cylinder, we'll say pi r squared h. So that will be, what is our pi? Our pi can be 22 over 7. So that's 22 over 7 multiplied by the square of your radius, which is 9 times 9, multiplied by the height, which is 21. So we'll say 7 here 1, 7 here 3. Then we'll say 22 multiplied by 9 times 9, 81, multiplied by 3. So that equals to 22 multiplied by 3, that is 66. Then 66 multiplied by 81. So that gives us 5,346 centimeter cube. You have to cube it because you are calculating volume. I hope that is clear. All right, let's move on. Now, here is also a cylinder. Okay, so a cylinder, and we want to calculate the volume of this cylinder. And do not forget the radius is 8 centimeter and the height is 7 centimeter. Now let's go back to the formula. The formula again is pi r squared h. Okay, so we'll say, what is a pi? A pi is 22 over 7 multiplied by our radius squared. That is, what's the radius? 8 times 8. Okay, then multiplied by the height. The height is 7 cm, that's 7 centimeter. So we'll say 7 cancels 7. So we are left with what? 22 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. So that gives us 22 multiplied by 8 times 8 is 64. We could say 8 squared, that's 64. Then 22 multiplied by 64 should give us 1,408. 1,408. So I want to believe we all understand this. In case you have any question, you are free to go to your Google Classroom and post the question directly there. I will see the question and I will attend to the question. Thanks for your time and thanks. All right, I want to believe with the worked example, there is no question, okay? But if you have any question, you are free to just post it directly on the Google Classroom. And I will see the question and I will attend to those questions. So post your question directly on Google Classroom. I will see the question and I will attend to your question. Thanks for your time. And I want to believe with this worked example, you've gained mastery on how to calculate the volume of a cylinder. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Till I come your way again, I remain Mr. Simon. Stay safe. Bye-bye.